Cortez.
We're going to be unboxing Nerf guns.
Silent Corn Shop. And we got another Nerf gun to do.
Alright,
The rival.
You should subscribe and stuff now. You know how to do it now? Mm-hmm. I'll do it. The bullet goes 90 feet, and I got Nerf gun shot bullet.
Rival gun. I'm going to play with it when my mom gets back off of work.
what kind of Nerf guns?
There are different kinds. The Meg, the Rival, and the Reed. And I have the Rival, and my brother, he has the Meg. My mom's going to get him a Rival and the mask so we can play.
Hit that like button, hit the bell. Subscribe, hit that like button, hit that bell. Do the thumbs up, and then have a good Christmas.